How to delete all Facebook Messenger conversations. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to delete all Facebook Messenger conversations, simply first of all launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings applications, simply scroll down to apps over here. As you tap on apps, tap on manage apps, and over here tap on the search bar and search for Messenger over here. So when you type in the application's name, so it will pop up over here at the bottom. So just search for the Messenger application and wait until it pops up over here at the bottom of the screen. So then tap on it, and then here you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data, then tap on clear all data. So this will delete all your files, settings, accounts, databases and cache, and it will be permanently deleted. And that's how you'll be able to delete all Facebook Messenger conversations. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.